These are the adventures of a temporarily out-of-work wife and mother, and this is part 2 of our master bedroom makeover, Father's Day edition. So, where was I? I was putting together this humongous armoire all by my lonesome. And baby, at this point, that lady's son that I married has been gone all day long. As a matter of fact, they have run out of stuff to do. They've been shopping, they've been out to eat, and they're on their way back home. And I'm already formulating a master plan. Once I have everything put together, the things that are going in this armoire are just getting thrown in there. We can sort through and organize it later on, because I ain't got it. That lady's son that I married rented the rug doctor, and we only have it for 24 hours. So I'm going to have to finish that closet, get the closet floor cleaned, and hopefully at least get the hallway floor cleaned while everybody is in bed sleeping. I'm still going to have to keep him out of this room, though. So the big reveal on Father's Day is going to be a mini reveal. It's going to be a soft launch, y'all. Now, what I want to know is whose bright idea it was to use these itty-bitty screws to put these little side pieces on. Those things did not stay in, okay? I was tossing this big behind thing all around from side to side. And it looks like it's almost done, but it ain't. It's a beautiful piece of furniture, but my God. So now, we finally got it stood up, and it's time to put the doors on. And now, those children of mine are back with their daddy. Just in time to help me with the part that I absolutely needed a second set of hands for. And to finish with all of the furniture putting together. And once again, it's on me and my sunshine. He held the doors and I did the drilling. And just like that, the doors are on. And now it's time to do those bottom drawers. Now, if you saw my closet makeover video, then you know that we've got paperwork that dates back to the 1990s. So once that paperwork is going through, what needs to be kept is going to go into these bottom drawers of this armoire, and anything that can't fit in the drawers is going to go on the shelving on the right side of this cabinet. And then that lady's son that I married can put all his workout stuff and his heated blankets and all that good stuff on the left side of the armoire. Now it's time to put together these nightstands. We got 2 of them, so I'm working on one. My sunshine is working on the other. I finish with mine, and then I help him finish with his. I got these nightstands from the TikTok shop. All that other furniture came from the Home Depot. And once both nightstands were put together, we moved on to that new desk. I cut a lot of this out because he did a whole lot of that. Y'all see him texting on that phone instead of actually working? This desk was really perfect for this space because it was very minimalist, but it gave you everything you needed. So it has some shelving, it has plenty of space for a laptop or a computer, even enough space for the printer. But we decided to order a printer stand and put the printer on the floor on the other side of the desk instead of having it on the desk to give that lady's son that I married more desk space. And by the time this video is posted, all of the small little touches will have arrived. The old PC will be repurposed, the new laptop will be in, and we'll have a really great before and after shot. So now that all of the furniture is put together, it's time for the cleanup and to put everything away so that the bed is actually usable again. I installed a quick multi-way outlet under the TV. That way we could plug up the printer, the laptop, and any other gadgets and gizmos that would need to be plugged up here. And then my sunshine moved all of the workout equipment into this open space area right here so that they're easily accessible to that lady's son that I married when he decides he wants to work out at home. Meanwhile, I was stacking all those books and papers on the right side of that armoire like we discussed earlier. Putting items on those corner displays and setting up his desk items, kind of the way he had them before. Then I had my sunshine put away all those workout clothes that lady's son that I married had stacked up on that workout bench because he didn't have room for them in the closet or in his dresser. And finally, we can see the bed again. So to get those last items out and put where they actually belong and get those heated blankets put away. And now we are doing the final touches on the desk. I got this cork board from the Amazon, and it is absolutely wonderful. I love it already. All right, you just put each piece up on the wall as close together as you can possibly get it, and it looks like one big piece. Each piece is 12 inches square, and you have 12 of them. And I put them up skewed to the left because that lady's son that I married plans to get some monitors, and he's going to have them skewed to the right so that he can see the television while he is working on the laptop. Now, to refresh everybody's memories, this is how the room started. I know, a hot, holy mess. I told y'all we haven't done anything to upgrade this room since we moved in it, other than buying a new bed at some point and putting that desk in there and the weights and little things like that. And this, guys, is the finished product. Now, I could have gone in here and cleaned it all up and made it look perfect, but guess what? I didn't. This is what it looks like. It's lived in. We got a nice headboard cover. All of the nightstands are put together and set up. Instead of putting the clean comforter sets in the armoire where they belong, he decided to put them on his workout bench. Oh well. Y'all see his little mini fridge over there, and his clothes are not organized in the armoire, but at least the door is closed. And I still have to go through all of this paperwork in here, so I'll get to that eventually. And here we are.